What is backend development?
So back-end development is more of your logic, information system. So it's the stuff that is not so pretty like. It's not any styling. So yeah, it's more your, how do I explain this? So it's more like languages that involve your PHP. It's basically about putting logic together and steps. It involves a lot of steps and not so much how it will all come together, how it will look. It's not about the look and feel, but definitely, yeah, basically the build up of
Behind the
development.
scenes.
Yes, behind the scenes. Some of the stuff that most people shy away from.
Yes. Okay, and the second one is, what is CSS?
Okay, CSS is a programming language, which then focuses on the pretty stuff. It's styling. It involves a lot of styling and making. We'll use a website for an example. So you'd use CSS to basically make your website look better and more user-friendly for your users. So that is what CSS is basically. It's a programming language to style the specific program that you're trying to build, or solution.
Awesome. The third one is, what is a server?
Okay, a server is basically either a person or something that provides a service or a commodity. So a computer or a computer program which manages access to a centralized resource or a service in a network.
Okay, perfect. And
Yeah.
then the last one is, what is a source code?
Okay, a source code is basically a text listing of commands that are to be compiled or assembled into an executable computer program.